Hello everyone, Swami Origina Dori. And today we have a review on Amazfit Band 5 Fitness. Amazon Alexa built-in. Talk to Amazon Alexa. Ask questions. Get translations. Set alarms. Check the weather. Control your smart home devices and more. Blood oxygen saturation monitor. With Amazfit Band 5 you can measure your blood oxygen saturation and understand your physical state with oxygen beats. 24/7 heart rate. Sleep tracker. The Amazfit Band 5 precise optical heart rate monitoring allows you to accurately track real-time steps taken, distance traveled, and sleeping patterns. 15 day battery life. With a fully charged Amazfit Band 5, you don't need to bring a charger for 2-week trip. It has enough power to get you charged for 2 whole weeks mind-free. Women's health tracking. With the female period tracking system, Band 5 records and predicts the female menstrual cycle and sends smart notifications reminders. Refer to the PDF attached below in technical specification for the manual and FAQ. The price $29. If you want to know about similar models, watch this video. And also subscribe to the channel to learn about new products. Bye bye.